So I've bought several chargers for my iPhone 6, and I keep replacing them because I thought they were bad because it wasn't connecting and charging my phone. And what I found out is that there was a ton of lint. Look at all that lint that was inside the charging port. So let me show you what I did to fix it. So basically I just took a paper clip and just kind of stick it in there. This is my daughter's phone. Let me see if I can get some out of hers too. Look at all that. Is that not crazy? Anyway, that was packed up in there, and that's what was keeping my charger from connecting inside the port and charging my phone. Hope that helps you.